return of the RMA USCY K11780, which is a GL702CC laptop. It's an AMD laptop. I sent him, I don't know, 2 months ago maybe? Like forever. Took forever. And the reason I'm recording this, because I got it back and this box really doesn't look good. And I want to record the unboxing. As you can see, there's a protrusion here. So it really doesn't look like a professional job. I packaged it better when I sent it in. I have a bad feeling that the original packaging I put in, so I used the laptops. I keep every original packaging and put it back to the ROG, the Republic of Gamer, little cardboard black briefcase it comes with. It's very snug in it. I have a feeling that it's not there, and let's see. Now I don't have to cut here because it's already cut. Pretty weird. So I have a very bad feeling about this. So let's open this up. And after I open up the box, so my first question will be, is the original packaging there of the laptop's original one? And the other one is, I upgraded that model to 32 gigabytes of memory, and is that in there? So we can see that as well. And the briefcase is not there. So if I still want to sell this laptop, I don't have the original packaging anymore. Like, seriously. And this is a little pen drive. I sent it with at least I have the, where is my briefcase? That's a disappointment. I don't think that this is a pretty good. Okay, at least I got this back as well. Great. This is from the original briefcase. I don't know where the briefcase went. Maybe destroy this thing here. Great. So this is what I was suspecting. This is why we are recording. Not a good sign. And the story is that I had a, not GPS, but a tracker device in it, which I took out, obviously, before I sent it. And well, I heard something as I set it down. Are you serious? There's a loose screw in it? Please don't. Like, really? Something is losing it. You got to be kidding with me. At least these screws are in place. So it looks like put together. So there was a tracking device in it, and device, because this is a $1,500 laptop. I took it out and the SSD before I sent it in, I took it out, the SSD out because, I mean, my job is on the computer, and it was even a hindrance to trying to keep work with some backup laptops. It was a pain. And so what they found is I taped in the tracker device. Actually, there were two tracker devices. Taped them in with a black tape, and as I took out the tape, that leaves a mark, like a residue. And it turned out originally that they saw that and they told it, whoop, water damage. It was spilled, water damage. And it took me like at least 3-4 tries. Spoke with the, I don't know, president's office, whatever, to until someone, actually a human, was listening to me, and I then get back a cookie cutter response where they actually understood that, oh, really? Oh, that's a residue. All right, we're gonna check it again. And I guess from then on, they try to find something. Now, the laptop before this one I had is MSI GT80 Titan, which is an SLI. I need high performance laptops, and unfortunately I have to buy these gaming laptops. These are the high performance ones. So I bought that used, and the one before that, which I have to use now as a backup, is Clevo P570, is also an SLI high performance desktop CPU laptop. That one I also bought used. But this one I bought new. This one I bought new. So I know all the history of it. I owned it. And I know that I never spilled it. So extremely disappointing. So the fact that it failed an RMA, it is cockadoodle thing that supposedly I spilled it. That's a big letdown. But that's one thing. Now I don't even have the original packaging. That's great. So I don't know how am I. So what is that? Just a moment. I want to know if all the 32 gigs are in it. So, because I ordered this from Excalibur PC because I knew that, I mean, I can do upgrades, but I prefer not to fiddle with the laptops, and I knew that in order, it has, I think, 4 memory slots, and 2 of them are in a place where you have to remove the heating assembly unit, and I just didn't want to do it, so I rather paid to Excalibur PC to have the memory upgraded as new right away. I'm just searching for a point to start the procedure. Let's take a look at first. Just this. It's not my laptop. I didn't have this on my laptop. blank. I don't know what is it. That's interesting. Blank. What's going on? Huh. That's kind of weird. I don't remember this bump at all. But I think it's mine. Alright, so that's just a minute. Alright, so let's start drawing here. I would be curious also where is the spill, because while talking with with some humans with not Culticulture, I was told that there's evident damage, and I tried to ask for a photo, show me, and besides the original 4 photos, I only got one extra. I never saw a photo which was like, whoa, that's evident. It was rather, okay, that's the residue from the trackers, and the rest is, maybe there's something there, I'm not sure. There wasn't ever any like evident thing like that. So it's, and what I wanted to have maybe at minimum is that the AMD Ryzen CPUs is equipped with, they have a hardware bug. It's not ASUS problem. It's actually a hardware bug of the AMD bug. But that knowingly, so I'm running Linux on it for my work, and that knowingly has causes crashes. So that's what I was experiencing, and I mean I was living with it. I was just thinking that long term I would have been happy if I got a CPU replacement. All I got was just a big lump of instead. Let's try to something was rattling in it. So these are the residue where the tracker was basically in the place of the 2.5 inch hard drive. Okay, so the battery is not connected, alright. This cable is not connected. That's really interesting to get back. Now, I don't know, maybe here there's something, but I think this is just some condensation. I mean, that's, I was told that I see that maybe there is condensation here, but like, was never spilled, and if I look close to the PCB, I don't see any. Wait, what's with this? This is not screwed in. This is the Wi-Fi card. What the hell? For real? Okay. So cables are not in place. Now I'm like, finally, so it seems like that they certainly didn't re-grease it. I was thinking that maybe the grease a little bit is bulging out, but that shouldn't hurt. This is not a metallic, this is not a conductive grease. But seemingly they didn't even touch it. I guess they know that it's not a problem. So then I lost a screw for the Wi-Fi card. This is unbelievable. Wait, what kind of card is that? So looking around, so let's say, I think there is maybe condensation here, but no, like, they told me that it's evident sign. These are the so the memory is there, at least. Where you would have to, I would have to take off this whole assembly to take this memory out, which I won't do. This screw, I think maybe that's coming from there, so maybe it's not a problem, but actually I don't think so. So like, let's put this back. Yeah, that screw is missing here. What the hell? Like seriously? I think. Okay, so maybe what was rattling, but this is firm. This was kind of firm. So what was rattling? This is not rattling either. These cables are not back in the